Vampires are creatures that feed on human flesh and blood. We used to see them in horror movies and novels where they fed on human flesh and blood. Little did we know that in the coming years, we were going to experience vampires in the form of bacteria. This is the Lab Doctors channel on YouTube. I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share, comment, so that we can bring you more health education and information around the globe. We are talking about bacteria vampires. Apparently, bacteria feasting on human flesh and blood. What makes this very dangerous is that some of these vampire bacteria are already in our human system. Please, you are entreated to stay tuned and watch to the end. Research at Washington State University, led by Professor Arden Berlin, has found bacteria-like microscopic sharks that has the ability to detect the smallest trace of blood, even the minutest. Note that bacteria infecting the bloodstream can be very lethal. It can be very dangerous. One dangerous characteristic of these bacterial vampires is that they have the ability to detect chemicals in the human blood and swim towards it. Their studies analyze that these bacteria have a specific receptor that picks up blood traces from serum. This specific receptor of these vampire bacteria has the ability to pick signal from human blood and guide these bacteria towards the blood. The studies reveals that these vampire bacteria behaves exactly like a shark that has detected few drops of blood in an ocean and then swimming towards it. So you can just imagine the strength, the zeal of getting this human blood at all costs. What is making this very dangerous is that the 3 species bacteria found or classified as vampire bacteria are mostly common in the human gut. These bacteria are E-coli, Salmonella, enterica, and citro-bacter korseri. These are bacteria that are found in the gut and are very, very helpful in the gut. However, these bacteria exhibit the vampire-like traits when exposed to blood in serum. One thing about the human gut is that it has a strong immunity and is able to handle these bacteria without them causing any diseases. They are only able to pass the gut immunity when the human immune system is weakened or suppressed, or if a person is having bruises or a cut in his or her gut. When this happens, they are able to get to the bloodstream, causing severe health issues, mostly spreading to other areas of the body, making treatment very, very difficult. These vampire bacteria has a blood-testing nature that enables them to exploit their environment, multiply, spread, and then cause sepsis. Sepsis is a life-threatening response of an infection that can lead to tissue damage, organ failure, death, if not treated correctly, early, and then effectively. So the big question here is, since these vampire bacteria are already with us, how do we protect ourselves? Our first point is make sure you cook your food properly. Make sure the food you are eating is well cooked before eating. Most especially meat, chicken, and eggs. Our second point is avoid eating cold food. Make sure you heat your food properly to avoid these bacteria surpassing your gut immunity to your bloodstream. Lastly, if you have an ulcerative colitis, please do not hesitate to see your doctor. These points mentioned will go a long way to help you keep your gut immunity intact and prevent these vampire bacteria from crossing down to your bloodstream. This is the Lab Doctors channel on YouTube. I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share, comment, so that we can bring you more health education and information around the globe.